Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Ranger shocks. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a jack stands, and wrenches. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves. Begin by safely lifting your Ford Ranger and securing it firmly on sturdy jack stands. This provides a stable and safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's remove the old shocks. Start by locating the upper shock mounting bolt and carefully loosening it. Next, move to the lower shock mounting point and remove that bolt as well. Once both bolts are out, you might need to compress the old shock slightly to free it from its mounts. Gently pull the old shock absorber out of its position. With the old shock removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully compress the new shock absorber and align its lower mounting hole with the bracket. Insert the lower bolt, but only hand tighten it for now. Then, extend the shock to align the upper mounting hole and insert that bolt. Ensure both bolts are in place before proceeding. Almost done. Now, go back and fully tighten both the upper and lower shock mounting bolts to their manufacturer's specifications. Once everything is secure, carefully lower your Ford Ranger off the jack stands. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm the new shocks are functioning correctly and providing a smooth ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.